Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
To download DIALux evo, go to DIALux. On here, you can click on download DIALux evo or DIALux Pro, but let's click on DIALux evo because if you would like to update in the future, you could update from DIALux evo to DIALux Pro. Before you click on the download button, I recommend that every one of you checks these hardware requirements. So you need to have a minimum of 2 gigabytes RAM, 1 gigabyte RAM for the graphic card, Windows 10 from version 1803, Windows 11 64-bit, minimum resolution 1920 1080 px. These are the supported languages, and on here you have the DIALux member luminaires. They are 439 at the moment, and this is their list. If your computer fulfills these requirements, then you can now go and click on download DIALux evo. Once downloaded, you go and right-click on the DIALux setup. You click on execute as administrator, and then yes. Welcome to DIALux evo 13.0 setup. This is actually the 13.0 version. Then OK. Next. I agree to the terms of this license agreement. I don't even know what is it about, but still I agree just for me to use the software. Next. Then install DIALux evo 2, the folder. Next. Next. And then next. The installation is complete. Thank you for choosing DIALux evo. Finish. Once the installation is finished, you'll get this icon in your desktop, and that means your software is ready to be used.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.